welcome to tonight's episode of The Canned Cook. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm going to be making some Thai red curry soup. Now, Thailand is one of my absolute favorite places to visit. Where I got this tattoo right back here. Thai food is one of my favorite foods. So tonight, I'm gonna have a go at making my own. Our canned food of the night is going to be the canned coconut milk. I'll be starting off by sauteing the chicken breast, and then I'll start building the soup. We're gonna start by sauteing some fresh ground ginger, some garlic, the red bell pepper, and then I'll be adding red curry paste. Then we'll be adding some chicken broth. Can't forget the secret ingredient, some fish sauce. At the end, I'll be hitting it with some cilantro, lime juice, and some serrano peppers because we like it spicy. All right, let's get started. We got our Thai red curry soup all done over here. Go ahead and take a look at that. And this is the final product right over here. Bon appetit.